Guys, welcome back to another video of Trains At, and today we're at Portsmouth and Southsea on the Southwest Main Line. In this video you'll be seeing services by South Western Railway, Great Western Railway, Southern, and I think that's about it. So this is a double pairing of Class 444s on the service to London London Waterloo via Guildford. I'm not quite sure what the numbers at the front are. This is the 10:20 service. Numbers on the rear are 444 004. I've never filmed here at Portsmouth and Southsea before. I've obviously been through the station when going to Portsmouth Harbour. Down the other end of the platform is a really cool slope, and we also have two bay platforms.
South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour is delayed by 31 minutes. This is because of the train crew being delayed. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Passengers for...
So I think this video will be quite short because I only had 13 minutes here at Portsmouth and Southsea. But if I come back to Portsmouth and Southsea later on, I'll make sure I film whatever comes in. So yeah, down the end you will not be able to see is a Class 450 waiting to arrive into Portsmouth Harbour Station. So yeah, let's see what shall turn up here at Portsmouth and Southsea. What's passing there is a triple pair of Class 450s on the service to London Waterloo. Didn't get the front 450, you got 450 025 and 450 561 on the rear for South Western Railway. My Southern service is currently delayed by approximately 9 minutes, so I will be here for a bit longer than expected. Next service in will be the 10:27 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Arriving in now is a Class 158 on the service to Cardiff Central for Great Western Railway. (960), calling at Fratton, Cosham, Fareham, Southampton Central, Romsey, Salisbury, Warminster, Westbury, Trowbridge, Bradford-on-Avon, Bath Spa, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Newport, South Wales, and also Cardiff Central. 158 960 is now ready to depart. So guys, there are currently delays on Southern. There's delays on Southern between Barnham and Littlehampton, and there's also delays along South Western Railway due to train crew issues. Passing on cautionary signals. Right, there's that one go. Right guys, I'm just going to let you into a bit of information. As my 10:33 Southern service is delayed for a bit longer than half an hour, it's not even in Havant yet, I'm going to be moving along to Fareham, which I'll be getting the 10:36 South Western Railway service towards Southampton Central, just one station back up the line, and then next video's there. Sorry for the short video. I've really enjoyed Portsmouth and Southsea. For the short time I've been here, I would like to be here for longer, but for the purpose of the video and making more videos on my day, I think I'll move up the line towards Fareham, see if I can see 450-111, as I still have not seen it in the new livery. So yeah, we'll finish off the video with the 10:36 service to Southampton Central. So film that when it comes in. So guys, we're finishing off the video with a class 450 on the service to Southampton Central. Looks to be 455.64, or it might be 554. 554 it is. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please like and subscribe and comment any stations down below for the future. This is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching guys.